Good morning, parents and students. I hope you are all doing well today and taking the necessary steps to stay well. There's no doubt that we're going through a very trying time right now. It's new to all of us, but we can make it together. I think it's very important that we have some kind of routine that includes studying, continuing learning, getting some exercise, drinking plenty of fluids, and getting enough rest, and just taking care of each other. Please make sure you are checking your student Google email accounts daily for updates and links to new assignments. Also, as well, check your Google Classroom and the school's website and teacher pages for updates and links. I will be available on Google Hangouts from 5 to 6 p.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays. I can also be reached at my email at hiltonb@buttscountybcssk12.org. In addition, I will be on Google Hangouts on Saturdays from 3 to 4. I sent everyone an invitation to join the group hangout, Google Hangouts. I've created a thermal energy learning board using TES for you to use to learn about thermal energy. The link can be found on the third grade BCSS Google Classroom. There are more detailed directions on the learning board. If you have any questions, please email me or message me on Hangouts. I hope everyone has a great day. You are all in my prayers, and I love each one of you. Bye now.